guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my, I think, week 28 update and my weight loss journey. This is Sunday weigh-in, so I'll be quick about it. To be honest, I don't think numbers-wise was a great week. This week was my birthday, so Friday I had a lot of a lot of food to celebrate with friends, but that's fine for me. I've tried to catch it back yesterday with a pretty long walk, like 2.5 hours, and during the week itself was pretty good. I didn't go to the gym that much, maybe once, not even sure, but I took the bike to work all week, and I think 2 days during the lunch I went for a walk, like a half hour, 40 minutes walk. So that was pretty good. And at night as well, I walked with the dog and stuff like that. So training wise was a good week. Food wise, not so much with Friday, but the rest of the week was okay. What I'm finding out though is that, and I've seen this from a lot of other people that are that have weight loss channels on YouTube, that there's a lot of problems with the water retention, and I'm starting to have that, I think, because I do have some loose skin everywhere, and from what I heard, a lot of people are having problem with that. It's you get water retention if you're eating too much salt, and it's something I have to address because I do eat too much salt. I look at the calories mostly when I eat some stuff, and I can eat everything, but still sometimes if it's something already prepared, like I have some vegetarian pizzas that they taste great and are fine for calories, but since it's something already prepared, it has a lot of salt in it. Same thing with the vegetarian burgers. They add a lot of salt in those things to have some decent taste, So that's a problem, and I'll have to try to be careful with that, not to eat those foods too much and not to add more salt on other foods that I eat. So I'll try to adjust that. So anyway, I'm rushed for time, so I'll go ahead with the weigh-in. Let's see how it goes. So I can show you on the app as well in case it didn't show up good. So 246.4. Last week I was at 241.4, so I picked up 5 pounds somewhere. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's water retention mostly. So since it was my birthday and stuff like that, and I know I was pretty careful anyway, so I don't mind it that much. It's been a pretty quick adventure already. It's been like a little bit more than 6 months, not much. I started October I think, or November, and I was like around 96 pounds lost, so it's pretty quick anyway, so it's fine. That's one of my problems. I have to be careful of not driving myself crazy when I cheat sometimes, or something happens like this, like water retention, or like I said, I know I was pretty careful all week and I did my exercises, so I'll catch back up next week if I continue being careful. So that's it for this week for the weigh-in, and you'll see I'll be posting a few other videos. I have one coming up of the new Fitbit Charge 3 that I bought. I did a review on that. I was waiting to post it because I wanted to wait a week or two and to try it out and update the video at the end to see what I found out about the tracker. So that one is coming up, and I have one as well that I tried to do some. I was planning to go to a park and try some like CrossFit um, bars and stuff like that and steps outside, but it turned out that it was full of people. I couldn't film, but I did switch it up to a bike ride and in another park. And I took to the wood trails with my bike, which is really not configured for it. So it was pretty funny. Yeah, so I paid a little bit for it. I'm a little bit scratched up. I went through the woods. It was fun. So those two are coming up, and I'll have another one as well where I'm going back to Montreal. It's hard to say in English. Montreal, which is one of my favorite places. I went before during winter, and it was like a month or two when I started the journey, and I knew I could do it, but the steps there killed me that time. You can go back and watch that video; it's pretty funny. I think the steps are not going to be a huge problem today, so you'll see that one coming up as well. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the little video, and I'll see you next week. And don't forget to please subscribe to the channel. I always say it, but it's important. I'm only at like 84 people. I'd like to get that to 100. So share it to your friends. It's free. You just need a Gmail account, and you can follow me on Instagram as well. Those are pretty fun. I try to post pictures when I take some walks and at some nice places. And you get pictures of that crazy dog, Shadow. So check that out as well. So that's it for this week, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.